Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to avoid virus spread by choosing the right door handles. The first documentation of the invention of a door handle was in 1878. Before the door handles were invented, people only used bolt or a lock to keep a door shut. We can see in some of the ancient buildings and homes, the copper and brass door handles and door knockers were used. The first door knockers were found in ancient Greece. When it comes to India, they have a unique history starting from bronze door knockers that we discovered from Sindh in Pakistan. Most of the door knockers were made in metal such as copper and brass. This metal used in door knockers were later used in door handles. Brass and copper metals have self-disinfecting properties that do not allow bacteria to sustain for more than 4 hours, according to researcher Dory Mellon. These copper and brass metals have been a boon since the ancient time as they kill bacteria rapidly and efficiently. Viruses and bacterial infections such as common cold, cough and fever can spread only by touching infected objects such as door handles. But using copper and its alloy in door handles, toilet and kitchen faucets exhibit impressive antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Usually, the microbes are transferred by sneezing or touching the surface. When these microbes land on copper surface, the copper ions is released, that is electrically charged particles. The ions prevent cell respiration, punch hole in the bacterial cell membrane or disrupt the viral coat and destroy the DNA and RNA inside. We all know that the door handles are the most touched object, be it in our homes, office, mall or the toilet doors. Amongst all of them, the door knob of the toilet door is the most infectious one. Studies worldwide have shown that when copper or brass is used on the regularly touched surfaces in the busy ward and intensive care units, there is up to a 90% reduction in the number of live bacteria on the surface. So it is necessary to choose the right door handles. So how to choose the right door handles? Don't buy the treated brass and copper handles. The treated brass and copper handles appears shiny and appealing to the eyes, but they do not react when any bacteria or virus when it comes in contact to them. Modern day brass products are treated with lacquers and synthetic paints. These treatments stop the copper and brass to oxidize themselves when coming in contact with them. Though door handles and knobs made up of stainless steel and plastic have gained more popularity in recent years because of their shine, color and cost, but the amazing property of brass and copper to kill microbes in terms of health is incomparable. So that's all for this video. This is Arpita signing off. Thank you so much for watching.